Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Mark Whitten with the Equity Depot. Got a great property here today for you guys in Cockeysville, Maryland. It's 10815 Powers Avenue. Go ahead and take a look at this area. And this pretty long driveway to get to the property off of the road. That's Sherwood right there. I mean, guys, this property sits on 2 acres of land. Come on, let's go check it out. You see here, you got the, nice driveway here that goes around here. A little landscaping can be done. But, other than that, it's a really great property. It's a really great deal. If you're looking for a higher end property to buy and flip, doesn't really need a lot of work. Come on in, guys. Alright, here we are. Now guys, this property was last used as an assisted living. Has 9 bedrooms. Here's one room here. There's one room. Here you have a living area here. Has a fireplace. It's actually 2 fireplaces in the property. Alright. Then you have your kitchen here. Your kitchen here. Alright. Nice area here, where the residents came in and they ate and, socialized and things like that. Come on here for a second. You can get a look out that window there. There's a nice deck, and if you can just get a shot of this land, all this land here. Like I said, it's 2 acres of land. I'll take you out there in a second, guys. Alright, come on, guys. Here you have another bedroom here. There's another room here. Alright. Also, this property has 5.5 bathrooms as well. It's a closet here. Here's one bathroom here, one full bathroom here. I'm going to take a look at that. Okay, you got another room here. Got another room here. Check that out. You see, that's room number 8. You can see that 8 right there on the door right there. Got another full bathroom right here, guys. A full bathroom there. Alright. Okay, guys. Pause. Check out the rest of this mini mansion here in Cockeysville, Maryland. Take you upstairs. Again, guys, this property doesn't need any work. Okay, got a bedroom here. It's a pretty large room. Check this out here. Got a full bathroom here with his and her sink. Come on, guys. Got some closet space there. Here you have another full bathroom here. You want to check that out. It's another full bathroom. So what's that, 3 or 4 so far we had? I've showed you guys. Got another bedroom here, guys. Lots of closet space. Got another bedroom there. And one more here, one more bedroom there. All right, guys, come on, let's go take a look at the basement. Again, as I was saying, this property was just recently used for assisted living. Has 9 bedrooms for the assisted living. A little lost here, guys. This house is so big, I almost forgot how to get into the basement. It's crazy. How do we get down? Ah, here we go. Found it. I almost got lost in this big old property, guys. Come on. Okay, so this is the basement. It's a little dim. I'm trying to get you guys some light. Up a little bit, but anyway. Got another bedroom here. Also was used as an office. Bedroom or office, however you want to do it. Okay. Got some more space here. Another fireplace. Come on, guys. Back here you have your laundry area. You got another full bathroom in the basement. Got another full bathroom back there, guys. Check that out. Alright, guys, let's go out back and take a look at some of this land we got here. Come on, see if you can slide through this door with me here. Here we are, guys. Peace and serenity here in Cockeysville, Maryland. This property, again, guys, sits on 2 acres of land. I want to just bring you guys out here with me here. Got nice property all around here. You know, just take a look at this. Just get a shot of this whole area here. I mean, you can do whatever you want out here. I mean, you know. So again, guys, it's Mark Whitten with the Equity Depot. We're here at 10815 Powers Avenue in Cockeysville, Maryland. It's a really great deal if you're looking for a property to buy and flip. I mean, it's absolutely great for that. Or if you're looking for, you know, maybe a group home or assisted living, I mean, it's just fantastic. The property is listed right now for $599. You can get it way cheaper. Just give me a call, 443-802-6424, guys, and I'll see you next time.